Hello everyone, my name is Javier Serrano and this is my video essay, Phases of Engagement for EDLT 560. According to Conrad and Donaldson, the framework of phases of engagement includes introductory community building exercises which build trust and help a group to learn how to work together. As learners gain more confidence and expertise, they can be guided to move through additional phases of engagement. We can see in Table 1.1 the phases of engagement and how the learners and instructors' roles shift along with the processes. I can really see how EDLT 560 class has gone through some of the phases of engagement. When I was reading about them, I was able to relate to the learner's role very easily. In Phase 1, we see that the learner role is newcomer, while the instructor role is social negotiator. Dr. Parra's superhero introduction really helped us to get to know each other, which also served as an icebreaker. It was one of my favorite assignments. I really enjoyed doing it. And also reading everyone else's part. Also, the fact that the lessons or modules are divided into adventures really gave us a sense of comfort into the class. Plus, it made it fun. Still, in Phase 1, another activity that I found important was the setting up toolkit along with the spreadsheet. I think this was very important for us to have a further way to communicating among ourselves, because we know that people nowadays check their social media more often. I feel good when I had that accessibility of communicating with others in the class in a more reliable way than just Canvas email. As a team, we communicate with phone text so we get a quicker response, which I find a little strange that I have the phone number of more people in my online class than in my face-to-face class. I have found my group to be very efficient and helpful. These three activities really gave me a sense of community starters and made me avoid that fear of isolation that online classes tend to give. Also, in the orientation that Dr. Parra gave, we could really see what it was expected from us, introduce us, and explain how Adobe Connect worked and how we could still talk, video, or chat in the online class. The next phase, Phase 2, where us, students, are the cooperators and Dr. Parra, the structural engineer. I think it shifted in Adventure 2. In which we already had formed our teams. We started to work together and started sharing ideas. We really started to cooperate among each other. I think Adventure 3 was still part of Phase 2 because critical thinking and reflection activities were given. But it is when it started shifting to Phase 3. I could see that because not many questions were asked in the last synchronous meeting, Dr. Parra is now more a facilitator. We know what to do and we have been solving problems and asking questions between our team members and other classmates. I think right now we are in Phase 3, but I can see that we will be moving toward Phase 4 soon. Especially more towards Adventure 7, where it looks like we will be creating and sharing a learning activity. So it becomes more a learner-designed activity, like mentioned by Conrad and Donaldson. Well, that's all. I look forward to being an initiator. Thank you.
To go and leave this pretty side. So long, farewell, I'll be just saying adieu.
Adieu, adieu, to you and you and you.